CUET PG Bodh Darshan, the complete lectures, notes and study materials are available on exam PYQ. Now here we'll be solving some of the questions which were asked in 2025 examination. So Samyukta Nikaya is in which of the Pitakas of the Tripitaka of Buddhism? So the Tripitaka talks about Sutta Pitaka, Abhidhanam Pitaka and Vinay Pitaka. Vinay Pitaka basically talks about the rules and the disciplines of the monastic life. Abhidham Pitaka talks about the philosophical and the psychological analysis, and Sutta Pitaka is the main doctrine, and under that Samyukta Nikaya is basically the collection of sutta which have been found under the Sutta Pitaka. So the correct answer here would be Sutta Pitaka. The next is, who among the following is a Buddhist logician? So Dharmakirti is regarded as one of the famous logicians of Buddhist time, and it was during the 17th century. He built upon the works of Dignag, and he is considered as the founder of Buddhist logic and epistemology. Then you have other important scholars. Of course, all of these scholars have been Buddhists, but they have their own unique areas in which they have worked. For example, Buddha Ghosh was a major commentator of Theravada school. Ashwaghosh was a famous poet and a dramatist. Vasubandhu was known for the concepts under Mahayana Buddhism and his concepts of Abhidharma. The next is, where is Karuna in Buddhist teaching? Now Karuna is one of the 4 Brahma Vihar. Now these 4 Brahma Vihar are important. They are known as Meth, which is kindness, Karuna, which is compassion, then you have Mudita, which is sympathetic joy, and Upekha, which is the equanimity. So these are the 4 Brahma Vihar, and Karuna is one of those Brahma Vihars. The next is, in which tradition Dukh Sukta is mentioned? Now Dukht is basically the suffering of pain, and this is there are actually 3 types of pain that have been mentioned under Buddhism. Those are Dukh Dukkha, then Viparinam Dukkha, which is the suffering of the change, and finally the Samskar Dukh, which is the suffering of the conditional existence. And all of these 3 are mentioned under the Hinayan tradition of Buddhism. Now initially Buddhism segregated as Hinayan and Mahayana. Mahayana talked about suffering, but they had a different classification. Similarly, Jain and Ajivika also talked about the doctrine of suffering, but they again had a further separate version or classification of dukh or suffering. So this classification is under the Hinayana school of Buddhism. The next is, how many type of Trishna are there according to Abhidharma? According to Abhidharma, there are 3 types of Trishna. Those are Kam Trishna, which is the sensual pleasures. The next is Bhav Trishna, which is the existence or becoming. And finally, the Vibhav Trishna, which is the non-existence or annihilation. So 3 types of Trishna have been mentioned under Abhidharma, which are really important. Now, of course, the complete coverage for your CUET PG examination for Buddhism is available under the Buddha Darshan and Buddha Studies. So you can just go on and go for the questions, lectures and more details here. So thanks for joining. Have a great day ahead.